Okay, so I think that way too many people are disregarding my tutorials. They say the topology is not clean. Way too many problems with my topology because here, by example, we have these overlaps at the corners, overlaps here and there. At the back also, they see way too many issues with my topology. I'm doing this completely wrong. So they think that they can simply disregard and skip my tutorials completely. And they really insist that people should not follow my channel nor recommend my tutorials and my teachings because they have the ultimate knowledge and that I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, but now what if? What if you just take all your elements of your wonderful Celtic cross with these alleged topological issues and simply go to File, Export, STL. And you right away export all these elements, selection only, as the Celtic cross, perfectly knowing that then you're going to go to File, Import STL, bring the Celtic cross here, then add a remesh modifier with the voxel size that you see fit, perfectly knowing that all these alleged topological issues, interpenetrating elements are going to result in a perfectly clean topology because your 3D modeling techniques, 3D printing experience, and jewelry manufacturing expertise have been polished over decades of practice, thanks to thousands of happy students and customers. Then obviously you will run a proper decimate modifier and then right away go again to File, Export STL and overwrite your old STL to have a decent recommended face count for 3D printing. Then obviously you will send your STL to the slicer and see that it's a perfect repaired shell ready for printing, generate the necessary base and supports. Always admire the very cool looking slices, because from here you can send the file for 3D printing with your favorite 3D printing company anywhere you like, and then also for casting in metal like silver and gold at any jewelry casting capable company so that the jewelers can complete the finishing works and sell your jewel anywhere you like. You're completely right to follow my channel and support my work. Welcome and thanks again.